नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll continue to explain the thought current of Kenopanishad. Before entering into the verses of Kenopanishad, understand one of the most important thought current Kenopanishad is trying to infuse in us, remembering and understanding your being is not anyway disturbed by your thought currents. Listen. Who am I is the thought current of Isavasya Upanishad, from whom everything, by whom everything, Keneshitam, by whom everything, is the thought current of Kenopanishad. Listen. Who am I is the thought current of Isavasya Upanishad, by whom everything is the thought current of Kenopanishad. Only when there is no disturbance by your day-to-day thought currents, you will explore the source of the universe. Before entering into the Kenopanishad, you need to understand your thought currents does not affect you. Your thought currents are not you. Anybody who tries to enter into spiritual life, first thing they try is controlling their thought current, trying to be without thoughts or reducing thoughts. All this are okay in the initial level, but sooner or later you will realize not only you can't control your thoughts, you don't need to control your thoughts. And your thoughts are nothing but your food, just simple food. Change the food, your thoughts will become different. Just stop the spice, the spice in your words will disappear. Stop the spices intake, the spiciness in your words will disappear, because thought current does not need to be controlled, and it cannot be controlled. It is not worthy of even getting controlled. That is why Mahadeva does not define yoga as yogaha chitta vritti nirodhaha. No. Why Patanjali became so popular in the West, West is a war-based civilization. All the time war. So when Patanjali says in the first statement, yogaha chitta vritti nirodhaha, yoga is cessation of mind, now they have one more war. Come on, they take it up. That is the way the Patanjali became very popular in the West. Patanjali is known as father of yoga. I am not disrespecting Patanjali. If Patanjali is father of yoga, Mahadeva is godfather of yoga. Understand? Godfather Mahadeva describes yoga as being established in your source, not bothered about the thought currents and mood swings, comes and goes. Listen. Being in the source, just remembering what is your being, core of your being. All of us are Shivoham. We are Mahadeva. Analyze this. Intra-analyze this. Whatever you understand as Shivoham, that understanding should grow stronger and stronger in you. Other than that understanding, everything else, mood swings, ups and downs, good and bad, right and wrong, they do not have any power over you. They do not have any influence over you. They do not have any power over you. They do not have any influence over you. Understanding your thought currents does not affect you. Realizing your thought currents have no say over you. Put all your energy and attention to grow the understanding of Shivoham, not to kill, reduce, divert your thought currents. If you are spending all your energy on reducing, killing, diverting your thought currents, you are fool. And you are fooling around. Listen. If you are trying to reduce, subdue, suppress, divert your thought currents, you are a fool and you are fooling around. There is not a single being in the universe who conquered depression. There are only beings who made depression irrelevant to them, redundant. Understand? Depression should become irrelevant to you. Make the depression redundant, irrelevant. You can't conquer it. You can't conquer your thought current. Because only by trying to kill you are even recreating it. You think yesterday you had a depression and today you have to be more powerful and angry with yourself and really control and suppress and manage you to be out of depression. By the time you generate the anger, energy, fire, steam and pumping yourself, that is the moment you even create the enemy who was not there now. You invoke him, call him for fight, then feel defeated. Thought currents have no continuity. If there is a continuity, by now you would have been established in some continuous thought current for which you are struggling for years. Everyone is trying to establish themselves in a very smooth, sweet, soft, graceful, beautiful thought current. And always you repent. The thought current you are trying to establish is not happening, and the thought current you are trying to kill is more and more intensely happening. Listen. Thought currents are irrelevant. Thought currents are irrelevant. Thought currents are irrelevant. That's the essence of today's satsang. Allow internalizing of Shivoham to happen. Allow internalizing of Suddhadvaitam to happen. But thought currents are irrelevant. The irrelevant thought currents, if you understand, you feeling excited or depressed, high or low, irrelevant, and grow the thought current of Shivoham. That is the only way you will have an inner space to explore from whom everything, by whom everything. Kene Shitam, Kena Upanishads. Important online is Kene Shitam, from whom everything, by whom everything. You can only make depression irrelevant to you. You can never conquer. You can only make depression redundant to you. You need to understand this truth. Contemplate on this one thought current today. I am going to give you a few meditation processes to prepare yourself for Shuddhadvaitam, to receive the space and powers of Mahadeva in Kumbh Mela. Today I was told whole Gurukul is coming. Preparing your being to receive the experience of Shuddhadvaitam. The first step is making your thought currents irrelevant to you, making you realize your thought currents are irrelevant to you. Actually, to get somebody out of depression, all you need is little kadka pudi, nothing else. The whole depression, which West is fighting left and right with tooth and nail, drugs and alcohol, little haritaki powder, over. The toxins will leave the system. You will be worrying what to be depressed about. What is this? Even depression has been taken away from me. Depression will become irrelevant to you, redundant. That's the first step. So that the thought current of Shivoham, the internalizing of Shivoham can start happening in you. That will make sure the inner space and powers of Mahadeva starts expressing in you. That's the best way to prepare yourself for Shuddhadvaitam in Kumbh Mela. That's the best way you can prepare yourself for Shuddhadvaitam. So get ready for Shuddhadvaitam. Essence of today's satsang, your thought currents are irrelevant. With this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.